Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing our Teeny-Tiny Doily. What we want to do is to cross over so that we can add this first circle. So our string is coming out right here on our piece. We're going to want to cross over. So we want to go through that center bead. And then as our row is going down, we will want to come down. So from the center bead, we want to go to the bead that is in the direction we're working. And now we are ready to add this first circle, which for the egg doily is different. So you will want to go to the egg doily video for this circle. Otherwise, the other two, the short and the long, are done this way. You will add your first 4 beads in this order. And on mine, they are all high, so we will use the green. Then, where your string is coming out, you want to go to the opposite side and go 1 bead. Then you want to go towards the bead that your string is coming out of, and also through the bead that your string is coming out of. And there we have added the first circle. In the next video, I will show you how to add the remaining circles for your Teeny-Tiny Doily. Hope to see you there.